Number 1. What is the name of the mascot for the 2025 Khelo India Para Games? Correct answer B. Ujwala. Explanation. The mascot for the 2025 Khelo India Para Games is Ujwala, symbolizing the comeback of the house sparrow and representing resilience and the spirit of overcoming challenges. Number 2. Which two countries co-chaired the ASEAN Defense Ministers Meeting Plus ADMM Plus? Experts Working Group on Counter-Terrorism EWG for the 2024 to 2027 cycle. Correct answer B. India and Malaysia. Explanation. India and Malaysia took on the co-chairmanship for the 2024 to 2027 cycle of the ASEAN Defense Ministers Meeting, plus ADMM plus Experts Working Group on Counter-Terrorism. Number 3. Which country will host the 2026 Olympic Winter Games? Correct answer C. Italy. Explanation. Italy, specifically the cities of Milan and Cortina d'Ampezzo, will host the 2026 Olympic Winter Games after winning the bid to organize the prestigious event. Number 4. Which team led by Sachin Tendulkar won the inaugural International Masters League 2025? Correct answer C. India Masters. Explanation. India Masters, led by Sachin Tendulkar, won the inaugural International Masters League 2025 by defeating West Indies Masters in the final. Number 5. Which country's forces participated as observers in the Maritime Security Belt 2025 drills? Correct answer D. All of the above. Explanation. In the Maritime Security Belt 2025 drills, countries such as Pakistan, Sri Lanka, South Africa, and several others participated as observers. Number 6. Which Indian bank became the first to introduce a digital balance confirmation certificate through the PSB Alliance portal? Correct answer C. Canara Bank. Explanation. Canara Bank launched the Digital Balance Confirmation Certificate through the PSB Alliance portal, a digital solution that simplifies and expedites the auditing process by replacing the traditional manual method. Number 7. Which company won the IDEX award for its electric tactical all-terrain vehicle ETATV named Veer? Correct answer A. Praveg. Explanation. Bengaluru-based EV startup. Praveg won the IDEX award for its innovative electric tactical all-terrain vehicle Veer. This vehicle is designed for tactical defense use with advanced stealth features and high mobility. Number 8. What is the key feature of the Zero Coupon Bond ZCB issued by Power Finance Corporation? Correct answer B. Sold at a discount and redeemed at face value. Explanation. The Zero Coupon Bond issued by Power Finance Corporation is sold at a discount to its face value and redeemed at full face value upon maturity, providing investors with a lump sum payout after a fixed period. Number 9. Which IIT is developing India's first VR-enabled metaverse platform called Gyandhara? Correct answer B. IIT Kauhati. Explanation. IIT Kauhati is developing Gyandhara, India's first VR-enabled metaverse platform. The project will enhance educational experiences for students in Assam's PM Shri schools, starting as a pilot initiative for classes 8 to 12. Number 10. Which AI company unveiled the Quark app with advanced chatbot and planning tools? Correct answer C. Alibaba. Explanation. Alibaba launched its AI assistant mobile app Quark with advanced chatbot and planning tools. It integrates various functions such as image generation, travel planning, and more, powered by the Qwen reasoning model. Number 11. What significant scheme did the Ministry of Education and National Book Trust launch in March 2025? Correct answer B. Prime Minister's Young Authors Mentorship Scheme PMYUVA 3.0. Explanation. The Ministry of Education and NBT launched PM Yuva 3.0 to nurture young writers under 30. The scheme provides mentorship, exposure, and financial assistance for selected authors working on themes related to India's diaspora, knowledge system, and modern India. Number 12. Which company's Veer won the IDEX award in 2025 for an electric tactical all-terrain vehicle? Correct answer C. Praveg. Explanation. Bengaluru-based EV startup. Praveg's Veer, an electric tactical all-terrain vehicle, won the IDEX award for its military-grade features and cutting-edge defense technology. The vehicle aims to strengthen India's defense capabilities. Number 13. Which prestigious award did Gayatri Chakravorty Spivak receive in 2025 for her work in humanities? Correct answer. C. Hallberg Prize. Explanation. Gayatri Chakravorty Spivak, a literary critic and post-colonial scholar, was awarded the 2025 Holberg Prize for her significant contributions to literary theory, political philosophy, and feminist theory. Number 14. Which country's leader conferred the Knight's Cross of the Order of Dannebrog on Vijay Sankar in 2025? Correct answer. C. Denmark. Explanation. Vijay Sankar, Honorary Consul General of Denmark for Southern India, was honored with the Knight's Cross of the Order of Dannebrog by the King of Denmark in recognition of his exceptional consular services. Number 15. Which international company unveiled its advanced multimodal AI model, ERNIE 4.5, in 2025? Correct answer. C. Baidu. Explanation. Baidu launched ERNIE 4.5, a multimodal AI model which outperforms other models like GPT 4.5 in various benchmarks. It offers collaborative optimization for multimodal comprehension and is available to users globally. Number 16. Which company has partnered with the Andhra Pradesh government and the Gates Foundation for Public Welfare in key sectors? Correct answer. D. Kyndryl Solutions. Explanation. The Andhra Pradesh government and the Gates Foundation entered into an MOU to integrate cost-effective solutions across healthcare, education, and agriculture. Kyndryl Solutions is helping in supporting startups in manufacturing and IT through digital transformation. Number 17. What is the amount of funding allocated by the Union Cabinet for the Rashtriya Gokul Mission (RGM) in 2025? Correct answer. B. 3,400 crore rupees. Explanation. The Union Cabinet revised the Rashtriya Gokul Mission (RGM) with an additional 1,000 crore rupees, increasing the total outlay to 3,400 crore rupees. This funding will support dairy infrastructure improvements and breed enhancement initiatives. Number 18. Which company has entered into a quadripartite MOU to develop a hydrogen-fueled VTOL aircraft ecosystem? Correct answer. B. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Explanation. BPCL, along with Blue Jay Aerospace, ANERT, and Cochin International Airport, signed a quadripartite MOU to develop the first hydrogen-fueled VTOL aircraft ecosystem globally, aimed at transforming air mobility. Number 19. Which global research collaboration focuses on XR and AI in the manufacturing sector? Correct answer. A. Bharti Airtel, Ericsson, and Volvo Group. Explanation. Bharti Airtel, Ericsson, and Volvo Group have partnered to explore the potential of extended reality, XR, digital twin technologies, and AI in transforming industrial operations and workforce training in the manufacturing sector. Number 20. Which organization released the India Bioeconomy Report 2025 showcasing India's 16-fold rise in bioeconomy? Correct answer. D. BIRAC. Explanation. The India Bioeconomy Report 2025 was released by BIRAC, showing a significant rise in India's bioeconomy, growing from $10 billion in 2014 to $165.7 billion in 2024. It highlights India's substantial contribution to the global bioeconomy. Number 21. Which sector is said to benefit most from the partnership between the Andhra Pradesh government and the Gates Foundation? Correct answer. A. Healthcare. Explanation. The partnership between the Andhra Pradesh government and the Gates Foundation focuses on healthcare, using AI for predictive health analytics and automated diagnostics to improve public health outcomes. Number 22. Which company announced a long-term partnership with Google Cloud to enhance AI adoption across industries globally? Correct answer. A. Tech Mahindra. Explanation. Tech Mahindra and Google Cloud announced an expanded partnership to accelerate AI adoption across various industries. The collaboration aims to develop tailored solutions for sectors like healthcare, automotive, and manufacturing. Number 23. Which new species of congrid eel was discovered off the Thoothukudi coast in March 2025? Correct answer. A. Tamilicum. Explanation. A new species of congrid eel, named Tamilicum, was discovered off the Thoothukudi coast in Tamil Nadu. This discovery adds to the biodiversity of marine life in the region. Number 24. What new partnership did Piramal Capital and Housing Finance Limited form in 2025 to support rural borrowers? Correct answer. B. Co-lending partnership with Punjab and Sind Bank. Explanation: Piramal Capital and Housing Finance Limited entered into a co-lending partnership with Punjab and Sind Bank to enhance credit availability for middle and low-income borrowers, particularly in rural and semi-urban areas. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.